At Medtronic, our dedication to the hernia care space has made us the global market leader from every angle. And we're just getting started. Because to truly advance hernia care, it takes more than mesh. It takes innovation at every corner. Innovation that started with polyester, with key advancements like ProGrip, and is now evolving polypropylene for a complete portfolio of industry-defining solutions. But it doesn't stop there. When it comes to dissection and fixation tools, our earliest innovations advance surgical safety and convenience with tools like the Tacker, and the evolution continues with the launch of ReliAttack and SpaceMaker. We're applying this same innovative thinking to the surgery itself with the launch of Dextile anatomical mesh. Because to continually drive better patient outcomes, we will never be satisfied with staying stagnant. Our passion and care on all these fronts are all backed by real commitment, increasing our investment in the hernia care technologies of tomorrow, all ultimately driving towards real improvement when it comes to quality of recovery, quality of life. This is what we mean when we say it takes more than mesh. All of us working together, forging the future of this industry one advancement at a time.